So after all of this riding, I thought I'd earn a massage. As you can see, very respectable hotel. But I've been asked to put these on. I'm a bit scared. Wish me luck. So thanks to the power of Google Translate, I managed to navigate that situation and keep my boxes on and not put that weird thing on. And before anybody says it, no happy endings were offered, and indeed none were asked for. But I'm as ready as I'm ever going to be for tomorrow and off to the desert. Anyway, that's all right, isn't it? Catch you tomorrow.